Greetings, health enthusiasts. We're absolutely thrilled that you've chosen to join us today. It's always a good day to make a healthy choice, isn't it? Be sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. And of course, don't forget to turn on those notifications so you won't miss out on any of our future content. Today, we're diving into day 12 of our healthy eating journey. We have an exciting menu lined up for you, prepared by the talented chef, Mr. Mustafa. Our breakfast will be scrambled eggs with radishes and green onions, followed by a delectable grilled shrimp salad for lunch. And for dinner, we're serving up zucchini noodles with creamy garlic shrimp. So, are you ready to step up your game in the kitchen? Come and join us on this exciting culinary adventure. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and what better way to kickstart your morning than with a plate of scrambled eggs with radishes and green onions? For this simple yet delicious recipe, you'll need a handful of ingredients. First, gather 4 large eggs, a quarter cup of milk, a pinch of salt, and a sprinkle of black pepper. You'll also need a tablespoon of butter, half a cup of sliced radishes, and a quarter cup of chopped green onions. Begin by whisking together the eggs, milk, salt, and pepper in a bowl until well combined. Then, melt the butter in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the butter is melted and sizzling, add the radishes. Sauté the radishes in the butter for about 2 minutes, until they are slightly softened and begin to turn a light pink. Next, pour the egg mixture into the pan with the radishes. Allow the eggs to cook undisturbed for a minute or so, until they start to set around the edges. Then, gently stir the eggs, pushing them from the edges toward the center. Continue to cook, stirring occasionally, until the eggs are mostly cooked but still slightly runny. At this point, sprinkle the chopped green onions over the eggs. Stir once more, allowing the residual heat to finish cooking the eggs and to slightly wilt the green onions. The result is a fluffy, creamy scramble with a burst of crunch from the radishes and a mild onion flavor from the green onions. Not only is this dish delicious, it's also packed with nutrients. Eggs are a great source of protein and B vitamins, while radishes provide a good dose of vitamin C and potassium. Green onions, on the other hand, are rich in vitamin A and K. This combination of ingredients ensures a balanced, nutrient-dense meal to start your day. Voila! There you have it, a hearty and healthy breakfast to fuel you up for the day. As we move on to lunch, we have a light yet satisfying dish for you, our grilled shrimp salad with chopped vegetables and lemon sauce. To make this delightful dish, you will need a handful of ingredients. The stars of the show are the shrimps, which are not only tasty, but also packed with protein and low in calories. You'll also need a variety of fresh vegetables. Let's go with bell peppers, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes for their vibrant colors and nutritional benefits. For the dressing, we're keeping it simple and tangy with fresh lemon juice, olive oil, a dash of honey, and some herbs. Now let's get started with the preparation. Begin by grilling the shrimps. You want to get a nice char on them without overcooking. The key here is high heat and quick cooking. As the shrimps grill, their natural sugars caramelize, enhancing their sweet flavor, while the smoky char adds a depth of taste. While the shrimps are grilling, chop up your vegetables. The bell peppers provide a sweet crunch, the cucumbers offer a refreshing bite, and the cherry tomatoes add a burst of juiciness. These vegetables are not just satisfying to the palate, but are also loaded with essential vitamins and minerals, making this salad a powerhouse of nutrition. Next, let's whisk up that lemon sauce. Combine the fresh lemon juice, olive oil, honey, and herbs, and give it a good whisk until it emulsifies into a tangy, sweet, and herbaceous dressing. The lemon not only adds a zesty punch but also aids in digestion, while the olive oil provides healthy fats. The honey rounds out the tartness, and the herbs lend an aromatic freshness to the salad. Now it's time to assemble the salad. In a large bowl, toss the chopped vegetables with the grilled shrimps. Drizzle over the lemon sauce and give it a good mix, ensuring every bite is coated in that delightful dressing. And there you have it, a grilled shrimp salad with chopped vegetables and lemon sauce. This dish is not just a treat to your taste buds, but also a nourishing meal that fuels your body. It's light, yet satisfying, making it the perfect lunch for those who are conscious about what they eat, but don't want to compromise on flavor. The beauty of this salad is its versatility. You can switch up the vegetables based on what's in season or what you have on hand. You could even swap out the shrimps for another protein of your choice. It's a recipe that encourages creativity while promoting healthy eating. And just like that, you've got yourself a delicious and nutritious lunch. So why wait? Grab your apron and let's make lunch an exciting affair. Now, let's wrap up the day with a scrumptious dinner: zucchini noodles with creamy garlic shrimp. Dinner is a meal that should be as satisfying as it is nutritious. And this dish, my friends, is a glorious mix of both. Let's dive in. Our main ingredients are zucchini and shrimp. Zucchini, a summer squash, is a wonderful low-carb alternative to pasta. It is rich in antioxidants, which can protect your body from damage by free radicals. It also has a high water content, which can help you stay hydrated. Shrimp, on the other hand, is a great source of lean protein and contains omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Now, for making this dish, we need 4 medium zucchinis, 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 4 cloves of minced garlic, a cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, salt and pepper to taste, and finally, a handful of freshly chopped parsley for garnish. Start by turning your zucchinis into noodles using a spiralizer. If you don't have one, a vegetable peeler will do just fine. Set your zucchini noodles aside for now. Next, heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add your shrimp, season with salt and pepper, and cook until they are pink and opaque. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Once done, remove them from the skillet and set aside. In the same skillet, add your minced garlic and cook until fragrant. This takes about a minute. Now it's time to add the heavy cream. Dissolve the cornstarch in a little water and add this to the skillet as well. Stir everything together and let it simmer until the sauce thickens. Once the sauce is to your liking, add the shrimp back into the skillet. Stir everything together so the shrimp is coated with the sauce. Now add your zucchini noodles. Toss everything together until the noodles are well coated with the sauce and the shrimp is evenly distributed. And that's it. Your zucchini noodles with creamy garlic shrimp are ready. Sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley on top for that extra touch of freshness. This dish offers a fantastic mix of textures and flavors. The zucchini noodles are tender, but still have a bit of a bite. The shrimp is succulent, and the creamy garlic sauce brings everything together wonderfully. The best part? This dinner is not only delicious, but also brimming with nutrients, making it a perfect ending to your day of healthy eating. There you have it, a healthy dinner that is as tasty as it is nutritious. Well, that wraps up our day 12 of healthy eating journey. We hope you enjoyed these recipes as much as we did. We've journeyed together through breakfast, lunch, and dinner, exploring vibrant flavors and nutrient-rich ingredients, all designed to nourish your body and soul. We hope you'll give these recipes a whirl in your own kitchen. Remember, the adventure of healthy eating doesn't have to be daunting. It can be as simple as adding a handful of radishes to your scrambled eggs, or grilling up a batch of shrimp for a refreshing salad. And when you do try these out, don't forget to share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear about your culinary adventures, your successes, and even those delightful surprises that come when things don't quite go as planned. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that bell button too, so you won't miss out on our upcoming content. Thank you for watching and joining us on this journey. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again soon. Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking.